Today we're installing a current sensor. This little device is very easy to install. You just clip it onto the active wire leading into the electrical system of the pump or whatever other device you want to monitor. It just immediately sends to our LoRaWAN gateway. This is the device fitted into the control mechanism of our bore. It needs to be installed by a qualified electrician. Once the power starts to go into the bore pump itself, it will send the signal to the LoRaWAN gateway. That enables us to monitor the functioning of the pump to a pretty fine-tuned degree. We can see the current draw that the pump is using. So this current sensor will tell us the load that is on the pump. If the load drops down, we know that either the well has ceased supplying water, or the bore has run out of water, or the tank is full and the pressure valves have turned off, which gives us a precise indicator of where the tank's up to at any point of time, as well as the pump working or not working. It is also a good indicator for the control mechanism. If there's a fault in the control mechanism, you will get different current draws which aren't regular, which you can monitor, or you can put an alert in to tell you that things aren't working properly.